he might not have ate those fruits from the leaves of life. Far as even couldn't have been the more deceiving wife. Figured Adam had a weak spot and she was right. I just call it how I see it. She in love with him and he in love too, but still in touch with all of them. Can you imagine you unlocked with one breeze for life? Waking up in the morning, laying down at night with the same face looking at you all the time. Realizing now that happiness is hard to find. You wanna go out and try to find that smiling face, cause she's always mad and her sex ain't great, and she don't do things like she used to do. Kinda force you into trying to find you something new. And on the real, I done seen it when it went like this. But girl, there's one thing happened that you can't forget. Hey.